are a few tasks I would like to accomplish in this video. One purpose is to show you how to set up account recovery in Clever. After we have completed that step, I then want to show you how to actually recover your account. Let's first start by logging into Clever. In the top right corner of your screen, you will see your name if you are a student, and you'll see your child's name if you are the parent or guardian. Click on the tiny triangle next to the child's name. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, click on Account Recovery. From this point, you will have 3 options to choose from. You can choose as many of these as you would like. If you want to choose just one, that's fine, and if you want to choose all 3 of them, that's fine too. And at any point, you can come back and you can change your mind. Let's first start by choosing Email. Click on the email box and supply an email that is not your school email. Mom's email is fine, Dad's email is fine. If you have a personal email, that's fine as well. Once you have supplied your email, then click Next. The following screen will ensure that you have entered the email in correctly, because you will need to check your email for a code. Once you have found that code, type that code in here and click Next. If you have completed one task, you will be redirected to this box to then complete the next step. A check mark will appear in the region showcasing that this task was completed correctly. Let's move on to security questions. You will be asked to supply 3 questions from the list and 3 original answers. If possible, I suggest that you take a picture of this when the task is complete so that you don't forget the answers that you supplied. Once you have completed this task, you can click Next. If you have changed your mind and do not want to choose this option, you can click Back instead. Now, let's talk about the last security option, text message. I recommend that you put a reliable cell phone number in this space. This can be a close family member if you do not have a cell phone. After you put the number in here, you will need to verify the accuracy of that number by supplying the security code. This will come to the number that you entered into this region. Once you have supplied the security code, then click Next when done. You can change your mind on these security questions if you have access to your account. Simply head back to the user profile space and then click on the small X next to any of these items. This will let you update that information in the future. The next portion of the video will show you how to actually recover your account if you have forgotten your password. Let's head to Clever from a personal device. This would not be a school device because you cannot log into a Chromebook without your password. I'll start by doing a Google search for Clever Login. Now, I'm going to type in the name of my school. From here, I will click on the space indicating that I need help logging in. For this example, you will use the bottom option. I want to recover my account via email, text, or security questions. Now I will type my school email into this space. Clever needs to know who needs the password reset, and that's me. I can choose any of the options I set up in the last step: email, questions, or text. If needed, I will provide a code if one was required. I will click Continue when done. If all of this is accurate, I will be prompted to put a new password into this area. And then once I'm done, I'm going to click Set Password. If you have access to your account and wish to change your password, you can do so by clicking Set New Password. Supply the new password twice, then click Set New Password. Here are a few password reminders. Be sure that your password has 8 or more characters, at least 1 uppercase letter, at least 1 lowercase letter, 1 or more numbers, and 1 or more symbols. Lastly, try avoiding using any of the same passwords again and again. We want to ensure that you protect your information by keeping your account secure. Don't use redundant passwords. You are now ready to log into your Clever or Google account. Thank you so much for watching today's tutorial and have a great day.